join the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association and the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition at this year Gullah Geechee Seafood Fest. Yeah, honey children, come for now upon the thing we catch from the sea and learn plenty about who we be. Saturday, October the 27th from noon to 6 at Hunting Island Nature Center in Beaufort County, South Carolina. Join us for a day of music, food, fun, and come on out and do a little bit of fishing even, and play some games with the family. Be plenty of dancing, Gullah Geechee presentations, and the admission is free. Yes, dinners are $10 per person, and all of the funds go to the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association and the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition to help keep we culture alive down your on we islands and things like that. For more information, call 843-838-1171. It might be a time chiller.